Greetings, I'm Nora, and welcome to the Divine Space. Let's go ahead and get into your energy to see what the heck you got going on. Gratitude for hitting that like button, shares, comments, as well as subscribing. I appreciate every last one of you. Energy is always fluid. I could be saying that it's a masculine, it could be a feminine energy, placed whatever way it need to be placed. I appreciate every last one of you. Let's go ahead and get into it and see what's going on. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Hopefully, you guys had a wonderful new year. Those that celebrate the new year in January. Okay, let's see what y'all got going on. What is happening? What's going on? What is anchoring the reading for the Divine Space family, friends, and collective? I'm seeing somebody getting kicked out. It says kicked out, no motivation. Maybe you have somebody sleeping on your couch or something like that. Maybe you're at odds with someone and they are sleeping on the couch or something like that. That's what I'm saying here. A toxic narcissist may be significant here. Drug addiction, alcoholic, bad parent, refuse to do the work to get better. Somebody doesn't want to be a good person or something like that. Let's go ahead and clarify kicked out. Let's grab a little knick-knack for kicked out. Please, Spirit, what is it that we need to know in regards to kicked out? Kicked out. Okay. Two cards actually came out clarifying kicked out. I'd like to say this is like a compass. All right. Um, this is almost coming off as it feels like the wheel to me, you guys. This is also feeling like there's possibly a new beginning for whoever I'm speaking of. I'm seeing that you're on some sort of journey. I'm seeing there's an energy of possibly good luck as well. I feel like you may also might it's like you might be spiritually guided or divinely guided. Look, we got the cross here, like divinely guided to move a certain way. It seems like you, wherever you go and whoever this person is, cannot go with you, and spirit is just simply guiding you on the steps of what you need to do. Okay, whether you know that or not. Go ahead and clarify this compass and cross. What is it that we need to know in regards to this compass and cross and someone getting kicked out? What's going on? They jump right on that. I just seen romance. What's going on with this kicked out, this compass and cross? I see police station. Hold up. Compass and cross. You know, the first thing I thought about when I seen this police station and in this compass and cross, I thought about Archangel Michael. Because you know, Archangel Michael referenced like police sirens and things like that, police cars. I feel like whoever you are, you might be that was like protected by Archangel Michael. Clarify compass and cross. Compass and cross, please, Spirit, for the Divine Spirit family, friends, and collective. Compass and cross. One more for compass and cross. What is it that we need to know for compass and cross? Mm. All right. As I stated before, it looked like when the police station came out, it made me think about Archangel Michael and the sirens. It seems like you guys might have some sort of, you know, protection from Archangel Michael. I'm showing that there's an energy of prayer, faith, meditation, healing involved here. Again, this is like possibly being divinely guided, divinely led, divinely protected type of energy is what I'm showing here. Look like there's it's time. It's like a energy of the chickens coming home to roost. That's what it feels like. The chickens are coming home to roost with this firestorm, karma, drama, endings, loss, and mental breakdown. We coming into the new year kicking people out of your energy that's not supposed to be there. You're being divinely led, divinely guided, especially against those that have no motivation and don't want to change. Okay, narcissistic, addiction, obsessions. You're getting rid of all of that and leaving that behind. Let's go and grab the tarot. Clarify this police station, please, Spirit. Clarify police station for the Divine Space family, friends, and collective. Police station. What is it that we need to know? Police station. The first card that came out is the Nine of Swords. There is definitely an energy of regret, remorse, anxiety. This is a Black Widow. Now you know what the Black Widow, isn't it like that someone has the evil eye around their neck, so it seems like somebody, this is an energy of wanting to keep some sort of evil eye away, or it seems like whoever this person is was possibly trying to protect themselves, but they were the ones that's creating the havoc. But again, this is the energy of regret, remorse, anxiety. And I was over here looking at the Black Widow, and with the Black Widow card, it's almost like an energy of someone that has children with someone and get rid of their spouse or get rid of their mate. I'm not saying that's something that you do. Red hair might be significant as well. Somebody might be going through a life altering transformation with the red. I'm saying with the four swords, there's a lot of anxiety. There's a lot of stress. Someone might also maybe, losing sleep as well. It's like somebody's receiving messages with the Page of Wands. Somebody may be receiving messages or possibly receiving downloads with this messenger of wands. Okay. I could be speaking to a Queen of Cups. Well, nurturer of swords, Queen of Swords energy. Aquarius can be significant, or Libra, Gemini, Aquarius. It seems like there's an energy of an owl here. There's an energy of a messenger, like a divine messenger, or there's an energy of wisdom, someone being wise, especially in regards to their endeavors and choices that they make. Again, this nurturer of swords, this Queen of Swords, even though it's coming out as a feminine, again, this could still be like Archangel Michael, y'all, because it comes out as the swords. But it might not necessarily be. It could be one of you guys. Look, justice at the bottom of the deck. This is definitely talking about karmic justice is definitely at play. I'm seeing there's an energy of someone being held accountable for their actions and having to deal with some sort of consequences of their actions. This is an energy of there's an energy of somebody's heart being weighed. Their heart is being weighed against a feather. Anubis might be significant as well. This is like the underworld. Y'all, like you're being judged, someone's being judged by how they treated other people and how they are as a person when other people are not around. They're being judged by, yeah, their actions of here, how they've been treating people. Is there this whoever this person is, it's their time. Let's go and clarify this praying. I feel like this person may have been getting away with a lot of things for far too long, and it's now their time to be held accountable for their actions. This is going to be like an energy of people not wanting this person around. Okay, I'm saying this is an energy of someone being turned away. Clarify praying, faith, healing, meditation, and praying. What's going on? Clarifying this praying energy, I'm seeing someone receiving some sort of clarity. Someone prayed, possibly for clarification, clarity, or truth, and that's exactly what you got, especially when it comes to things that are possibly hidden, possibly some sort of illusion or something like that with this moon card. I'm also showing they're wolves here, y'all. Yeah, I don't know why I just thought about this. I don't know. I seen it's like howling at the moon. I don't know if somebody possibly tried to dabble in some sort of blood magic, y'all. Look, I'm gonna be honest, like some sort of blood magic or something like that. I see this Ace of Wands as an energy of col creativity. I want to say clarity again, but I'm saying like there's energy of creativity. It's like an energy of something being illuminated regarding a new creative spark. You getting rid of somebody and the energy that you were putting into someone, you're putting into something. After something has been revealed that was hidden with this moon, something that was causing some sort of illusion, and this was all revealed after some sort of prayer. This is the energy of you being divinely guided. Look, the star told you it's like a wish fulfillment. Whoever you are, you could possibly be like a healer or some sort of spiritualist or something like that. There's an energy of someone wanting harmony. There's an energy of wanting harmony and peace, tranquility. Someone doesn't want any type of drama, no problems, nothing like that is what I'm seeing here. Especially when it comes to like being breadcrumbed with this messenger of coins, which is the page of pentacles. It's almost like an energy of somebody not wanting to be breadcrumbed. Okay, they want equal reciprocity. They don't want any type of secrets, any type of illusions. I feel like people feel like I don't know, whoever you are, you may be like a high priestess. Spirit revealed the unknown to you, whether people want to believe that or not, and they act so surprised as to why you cutting them off or kicking them out of your life and things like that, as if you don't know the things that they are saying, the way that they act, the things that they are doing behind your back. Clarifying this firestorm, I am definitely seeing the Four of Cups. There's an energy of regret. Okay? There's an energy of regret. I'm seeing this as a missed opportunity. This person, there's a missed opportunity, especially when it comes to you. I'm seeing you're taking a leap of faith in a different direction with this wanderer energy. There's an energy of you listening to your intuition. There's almost like an energy of some sort of breakthrough. You have having some sort of breakthrough or had some sort of breakthrough. I'm also seeing the Most High here with you. Like I said, like leading you, guiding you towards a new beginning. Like I stated, where whoever this person is can't go. With this world card, I'm seeing a closing of a cycle. I'm seeing your ancestors here with this older woman here. So somebody grandmother could be significant as well. With this world card and at the bottom of the deck, whoever you are, you could possibly have fire in your chart. Leo could be significant. You don't necessarily have to, but I'm seeing you putting your passion and your energy towards something else. You're very beautiful. You're very handsome. You're very intelligent. You're a good friend. You're loyal. You're kind. And I'm seeing like, and that's the very reason why you are having the advantage. There's with the Six of Wands, there's an energy of you having the advantage. There's an energy of you being recognized, you being, it's your time to be celebrated. It's time for you to be in the forefront. I feel like whoever this person is was possibly stealing your shine or possibly taking from you in some form of fashion. And Spirit said they got to go. It's time for them to go. That's what I'm saying here. Y'all have a good one.
Can't keep going back to what I used to know. Love